This is Matt. Matt's just a regular guy who realized one day that he really enjoyed making widgets. So he started making them. He started making a bunch of them. And after a while, he realized, hey, I'm pretty good at making these widgets. Why don't I start becoming a widget maker? In fact, he even took this one step further and thought, hey, if I'm making widgets, why don't I try to earn a living from being a widget maker? He decided to set up a business called Widgets R Us. Of course, this means that now he needs to deal with sales. So he starts doing that, and after a while he realizes he needs to deal with marketing, which is tied into sales but a bit different. Obviously he has a business, so he had to incorporate, so he handled that part as well. Now he needs to deal with suppliers to make sure he can get all the material for his widgets, and also clients, because that's how you make money. Unfortunately, some of these clients have problems, so he's dealing with troubleshooting for all of that that's going on. Now he incorporated, but he forgot to deal with taxes, so he's going to have to deal with that as well. Suddenly one day he realized he's out of inkjet toner, which reminds him he's really low on paper, so he needs to handle that as well. Then one day he realized that a product he thought he shipped had never been sent, which reminded him also that he had ordered another product that had never arrived. Okay, now he needs a big cup of coffee to deal with all of this stuff, but now he's getting a call from an insurance sales agent. Anyway, you get the picture. Matt just wanted to make widgets, that's all he wanted to do. But now he has to deal with all these other things that are coming his way. So what's the solution? Is there even a solution? Luckily there is. In this day and age, thanks to the internet, you can get access to all the best and brightest experts in all different fields all over the world. These experts are collectively called freelancers. And that's what this course is about. This course helps you hire freelancers so you can concentrate on your job while they concentrate on other aspects. In this course, you'll learn which jobs you can outsource to freelancers, where you can find these freelancers, how the hiring process works. You'll also learn how to pick the best freelancers and obviously how to pay these freelancers. You'll learn how to meet and even exceed expectations and what to do if they're not. You'll learn about specific examples and we'll also go through several walkthroughs. In short, you'll learn everything there is to know about hiring freelancers so you can concentrate on what you want to do, just like Matt.